Does your Audi have the Audi power tailgate option, but you don't know how to set your preferred height? Or do you recognize the situation when you park your Audi in a parking garage and the tailgate opens too high, causing it to hit the roof and sustain damage? No worries, just watch this video and I will show you how to set and adjust the Audi tailgate to your preferred height. But first, how to open the Audi power tailgate in the first place, since there are multiple options. You can open the Audi power tailgate by just grab and click the raise button underneath the Audi rings, by clicking the button in the driver's door panel, by press and hold the middle button on the Audi key. This option only works when the engine is off, and if optional, if your Audi has the hands-free luggage compartment option by just swiping your feet underneath the booth. But how to set the correct height of the Audi power tailgate? If you are outside or in a space where you cannot damage the tailgate, you can simply open the tailgate and click this button if the tailgate is in the correct height, or simply repeat until you found the correct height. If you found the correct height, press and hold this button until you hear the bleep and see the light signal. If you are in a parking garage or a space with limited height, I would recommend you to use this option instead. Open the tailgate and stop the movement of the tailgate by using your hand and give it a little push, since the tailgate needs a little resistance. Press and hold this button until you hear the bleep and see the light signal. Your Audi with memory tailgate is now installed and will open in the correct height. Would you like to raise or set the standard height of the tailgate again? Just push the tailgate open by hand. Press and hold this button until you hear the bleep and see the light signal. Thank you for watching this video. Thumbs up if you liked this video and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more VAG Car Tutorials.